Hindi mo malalaman kung hindi mo susubukan. Simple pakinggan 'no, pero isa ito sa pinakamahalagang lesson na natutunan ko sa buhay. Ito nga pala yung araw na pupunta at pabalik na ako ng Pilipinas. And habang nagbabiyahe ako, I was thinking there was a time when all of this existed only in my prayers and quiet hopes. Ngayon, minsan napapahinto na lang ako at napapangiti dahil nare-realize ko, unti-unti kong nabubuhay ang mga pangarap na dati ay pinagdarasal ko lang. Living in Taiwan, building a career, exploring new places, creating memories. But what people don't always see is the journey behind the photos. The sleepless nights, the self-doubt, the interviews that made me nervous. The countless times I wondered if I was good enough. Tapos yung plot twist pala, hindi pala yung confidence ang kailangan ko sa simula. Lakas lang pala ng loob para mag-submit ng application. Na I'm fine habang kinakabahan sa interview. Pero deep inside, loading talaga yung self-confidence ko. Lalamig yung mga kamay at pa ako. When I applied to become a foreign English teacher in Taiwan, sobrang takot na takot na takot ako. Hindi ko alam kung papasa ba ako sa interview or kung mapipili ba ako. Pero nagpakita ako. I showed up. Naghanda akong mabuti at binigay ko yung best ko. Now, if you're preparing for your Taiwan teaching interview, here are a few tips that helped me. Be confident, not perfect. Share your teaching experience with specific examples. Mas maganda yung experiences yung isasagot mo kesa yung mga sinaulo mong sagot. Show your passion for working with children and learning about Taiwanese culture. Prepare for common questions about classroom management, teaching philosophy, and why you want to teach in Taiwan. Smile, be genuine, and let your personality shine. And most importantly, believe in yourself, even when you're nervous. The life you're dreaming about may be on the other side of that interview. To every future teacher dreaming in Taiwan, huwag hayaang pigilan ka ng takot na mag-apply. Hindi mo malalaman kung ano yung naghihintay sa'yo kung di mo susubukan. Trust God, prepare well, take the chance, and see you in Taiwan, future teachers. With love, Teacher Anne.